Hello, everyone. This short lecture will help you to understand what is mole, what is Avogadro number, and how to use the Avogadro number to do conversion from mole to atom, from mole to molecule, and how to also calculate the molar mass of the compounds. What exactly is mole? So, for example, if I go to shop and I come back from shopping and I tell you about a dozen of egg, what that mean for you? You're gonna tell me straight up you get a box of 12 eggs. So anytime we say dozen, it mean 12. One dozen mean 12. One dozen of egg is equal to 12 egg. So like a dozen, the mole represents 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23. So if I have, for example, a mole of pencil, okay, a mole of pencil is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 pencil. So a mole is associated with a small particle like atom and molecule. So for example, if I have 1 mole of carbon, I have 1 mole of carbon. What it mean? It mean I have 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 atom of carbon. 1 mole of carbon is equivalent to 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 atom of carbon. If I have 1 mole of dioxide carbon, what that mean? It mean I have 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 molecule of CO2. Okay, CO2 is the symbol of carbon dioxide. So this number 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 is also known as Avogadro's number. So in chemistry, we use this number to convert mole to atom. Now let's look at how to calculate the molar mass of a compound and how to convert from gram to mole. For example, if I have 1 mole of oxygen gas, O2, that's the formula of oxygen gas. So we all know that O2 has 2 atoms of oxygen. If you go to the periodic table, each atom of oxygen has a mass of 15.9 gram. Okay, we round this to 16 gram. So if each atom has a mass of 15.9 gram and we have 2 atoms in oxygen gas, in O2. So the total mass of the two atoms there is 2 times 15.9 gram, which is equal to 31.8 gram. So the 21.8 gram is the total mass of the molecule of oxygen gas, two atoms of oxygen, 31.8 gram, okay, as total mass of both atom put together. So this mass is also called the molar mass, because 1 mole of oxygen, okay, has that mass of 31.8 gram. Okay, so now if 1 mole of oxygen has a mass of 31.8 gram, what is the mass of 2 mole of oxygen? What is the mass of 2 mole of oxygen? So it means that you have to multiply, in this case, the 31.8 gram by 2, which will give you 63.6 gram. That's the mass of 2 mole of dioxygen, okay, oxygen gas, O2, okay. So you can do the same thing for hydrogen gas. You can do the same thing for chlorine, a molecule of chlorine, Cl2. Okay, so you have to, in each case, refer to the periodic table to look at the mass of the atom. Okay, the mass of the atom given to you in the periodic table, and from there move back to calculate the total mass. You look at the number of atoms, okay, inside that molecule, okay, of that particular atom inside that molecule. Okay, so for example, if I consider the molecule of water, H2O. H2O has 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Okay, so when we get into the periodic table, the mass of the hydrogen is 1. Okay, so 2 hydrogen, that's 2 times 1 gram, that's 2 gram, plus the mass of the oxygen, okay, which is when we round it, is 16 gram. So that's 18 gram. The mass of 1 mole of water is 18 gram. Okay, 2 mole of water will have a mass of 2 times 18. That's 36 gram. To conclude, okay, we learn that 1 mole of atom contain 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 atom. If it is a molecule, 1 mole of that particular molecule contain 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 molecule. Okay, so this number 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 is what we call the Avogadro number. Okay, so this help to convert mole to mass. and also help, just like it helped to convert mole to mass, it also helped to convert mass to mole, mass to mole. Okay, I have a quiz at the end. You want to try a quiz? You want to try to see how you maximize your comprehension, okay, of this um, short lecture. So, question one of the quiz is, what is the number of atom in 1 mole of carbon? What is the number of atom in 1 mole of carbon? This is question one of the quiz. Question two of the quiz, what is the number of atom in 3 mole of carbon? Okay, what is the number of atom in 3 mole of carbon? Question number three, according to the periodic table, what is the molar mass of one atom of carbon? What is the molar mass of one atom of carbon? Question four, what is the molar mass of oxygen gas? Okay, as a hint, I'm going to give you the formula of oxygen gas is O2. The formula of oxygen gas is O2. What is the molar mass of oxygen gas? Question five of the quiz, what is the molar mass of hydrogen gas? As a hint, the formula of hydrogen gas is H2. What is the molar mass of hydrogen gas? Question six, what is the mass of 2 mole of H2O? What is the mass of 2 mole of H2O?